Tell me. Let my No, actually, the censor recommended three. The second censor recommended three cuts, which we've accepted. So I don't think there's an issue. It's been made to be made much larger than it actually is. We respect the authorities, and we're fine with it. No, I think there's a mandate that they have in terms of they have a mandate in terms of the guidelines that they have to follow, and we have to respect that.
Do you think there were the important scenes that have been taken out?
No, I think the film still holds. Even the film still holds even with the three cuts that we've taken. No, let me get my. So, what's your next question? Yeah. I don't know. This film I've honestly made with my heart. I've not even looked at any commerce, so that's a question for the producer. I think he must be a bit nervous today. Again? No, see, I'll tell you something with the censor board. I mean, I can understand they're going through a bit of an uncertain time. So I guess they're being extra careful. It's just that it's not that any one person can be pointed out. It was a collective decision, and I mean, they're doing their job. Yeah, I'm doing mine. Sometimes the two don't see eye to eye. You're most welcome. Thank you.
Hello Karan.
Hi.
How excited are you to watch Finding Penny?
I'm really excited, and I'm so excited that we're getting to see it so much earlier in advance. That is the most exciting part. Homie is a really dear friend. He's a college friend of mine. So I'm here to root for him. And of course, the wonderful ensemble. Some of the finest actors in this country are in this movie. And I don't think it can get better than this. This kind of ensemble with then Arjun and Deepika, who are in top form anyway. I think the whole combination of forces coming together are really tremendous.
Karan, how true is it that people and the people from outside of strangers come outside of place saying that they want to meet Karan, and there are cases that they find in the water?
Sorry?
The people who come outside your place saying that they want to meet Karan, I want to meet Karan, they're eager to meet Karan outside the residence.
Oh, what has that got to do with Finding Fanny? I was just trying to find a relevant.
Filed also by your driver on a guy.
I'm here to talk about Finding Fanny. I don't know what you're talking about.
You are into making commercial films as big high budget films. How much are you expected from this film?
Well, it's not about a budget or it's about a scale or about a genre. It's about good films and bad films. And I think there's an audience for every kind of film. And I think Finding Fanny, just like Being Cyrus, is definitely one step ahead in making a new avenue for English language films with mainstream movie stars and actors. So I think I really, really hope it does exceedingly well. So it opens many more windows and doors for this kind of cinema.
करण मेरे दो सवाल हैं आपसे पहला सवाल जो कोरियोग्राफी है उसके बारे में क्या कहें क्योंकि जो
वो एक तो शेख और बुटिया वो ट्रेमेंडस आइडिया था. आई थिंक होमी ने बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंगली उस गाने को आई थिंक पेश किया है. वो रोलिंग क्रेडिट का गाना है, मैंने सुना है, बट ट्रेमेंडस आइडिया. आई मीन ग्रेट यूज ऑफ ग्राफिक. I am not so sure about the details, so I don't think I should comment on something. I'm just looking forward to seeing the film, and I'm sure that there will be no issue in the film at all. I'm sure it's a wonderful film made with a lot of fun and laughs.
As a producer, do you think it hampers the creativity of the maker?
Well, I think, all of us as filmmakers, our final desire would be self-policing. We're all very, very conscientious people who worry about like the ramifications of our cinema on society. But unfortunately, there is a censor board and we have to adhere to the rules and regulations. I just wish that everything was smoother, progressive, And definitely, I think keeping, of course, conforming to the norms of our traditions and values, but also taking steps ahead. Because if we are constantly restricted, then we'll never be allowed to grow. But that's just my personal
करण
perspective on
करण
this.
एक सवाल है मेरा आपसे, आखिरी सवाल है। और आशा ताई आज थोड़ी सी भड़क गई थी। उनका कहना है कि आजकल के जो गाने हैं वो उन्हें पसंद नहीं, खास करके लिरिक्स वाइज बात करी जाए।
I think Asha ji is a humongous legend, and वो जो भी कहे, I think we have to take very seriously. वो उनकी राय है, and I'm sure मैं सहमत हूँ कि आजकल के जो गाने हैं, they are very different and unusual, और जिस किस्म के गाने आशा जी, लता जी उन्होंने परफॉर्म किया है, गाया है, it's on another level altogether. So मैं समझ सकता हूँ कि उनकी भावनाएं क्या है. But all I have to say is that we're in the zone, and we have to kind of try our best to make the best in the given scenario.
करण एक लास्ट सवाल 20 सितंबर को बॉलीवुड लेजेंडरी एक्टर फिरोज खान का बर्थडे है, सर विशेष देना चाहेंगे और कौन सी मूवी आपको बहुत पसंद है?
फिरोज साहब इज़ आई थिंक अ लिविंग लेजेंड, और उनकी जो हर फिल्म, उनकी स्टाइल, उनका करिश्मा आई थिंक लेजेंडरी है. हिज फिल्म कुर्बानी विल ऑलवेज रिमेन माई फेवरेट, एंड वो आई थिंक हिंदुस्तान के सबसे पॉपुलर निर्देशक में से और एक्टर माने जाते हैं. तो ऑल आई कैन से दैट वी मिस हिम ट्रेमेंडसली, एंड मोर पावर टू हिज सिनेमा दैट ही लेफ्ट बिहाइंड. What did he say? Yeah, we don't say.
हम इंटरव्यूज कर रहे हैं, हम आज पिक्चर में देख रहे हैं ना, आपको बुरा लगा
We have to get right. I have no idea.
Scenes नहीं है मैम, there are some cuts. Scenes is when they cut out entire scenes, ताकि audience को गलत फहमी ना हो कि scenes काटे जा रहे हैं. There's a certain word that there was an issue, and there is a certain moment that there is an issue with. More than that, ऐसे
I
नहीं
think
कि scenes
usually
काटे.
with every film, the film does go back and forth a couple
Correct.
of times before it's finally passed, and I think that's like usual routine. And I can't understand why for this particular film it's been blown out of proportion for no reason.
Okay. There are two other business-oriented films which we recently appeared in Tax Free. Are you aware of it, and have you seen the promos and the film?
I know only of. I haven't seen Mardani, so I don't know. Marycom, of course, is going to release. But it's nice. It's nice that the state recognizes these things, and I think it's a great way to sort of encourage films that are socially relevant. You
Are
know?
you looking forward to doing such films in future?
Absolutely, but I mean, I don't think the intention is to do a tax-free film. I don't think we set out to make those kind of films. I think we all sort of look for films that we connect with as an actor. You identify with a character. You look at the larger picture. You want to be part of a film where you want to tell an interesting story. And in the process, if it ends up becoming a biopic, or if it ends up becoming, one of those films where the a particular state feels like it should be tax-free, or you want to promote that kind of a film, then I think that's a great thing.
Have people already seen the movie as yet? I mean, have you guys got any reviews for it, for the movie?
I think today's our first screening,
Today is the
and
first one.
we've not even seen the
Yeah.
film ourselves. So it'll be quite interesting to see what we don't even know who's here. So I mean, it'll be interesting to see what couple of our friends have come to see the film.
We're the most lost people at this screening at this point because we were discovering that in the car. Acha koi aaya, kaun aaya? Because we've just finished work and got in here. But it'll be nice to get feedback. It'll be the first genuine feedback we get from outside the film's perspective. So it should be interesting.
But I think the reviews that are getting the promos so far.
Sorry, ma'am.
What are the kind of reviews that are getting?
Review I mean, honestly, the reaction's been really nice. It's been overwhelming to know that people are reacting so positively to a film like Fanny. We always knew that. I think that's why we decided to be part of doing something unique in that sense. And the audience lapping it up, whether it's digitally, whether it's you guys who've spoken about the film so highly, I've recently joined Twitter, the kind of feedback I've got, it shows that our audience is ready. So the feedback has been very, very encouraging, and fingers crossed for the 12th of September.
I think it's largely been, oh, it's looking really fun, it's looking really quirky, it's looking very different. I think these are largely the kind of reactions that are coming, and I think what we didn't expect is the kind of reaction that we've got to Shake Your Buttiya. We thought Fanny Ray was the song that everyone will enjoy, but I think Shake Your Buttiya is what people are really enjoying. In fact, I was listening to radio in the car the other day, and in a span of half an hour I heard the song like 3 or 4 times. So it's nice.
Sansari case. Deepika Padukone listens to the radio. That's big news.
आज ही आशा भोसले जी ने अपने एक इंटरव्यू में बोला है कि वो उन्हें आजकल का म्यूजिक पसंद नहीं है, लाइक लुंगी डांस, हलखट जवानी. इस पर आपका क्या रिएक्शन है?
Would you like to tell? I think everybody in our country has a right to an opinion. She also has a right to an opinion, and she must be feeling it for a certain reason. I'm sure if she must be having a reason.
दीपिका आप क्या कहेंगे कि हाल का गाना है?
I think, like Arjun said, I think everyone has their personal preferences, personal tastes. But for someone like Asha ji, I mean, I completely respect her opinion.
But Deepika, also, do you all like drinking penny?
The film is called Fanny, huh?
Yeah.
Do we like drinking Fenny? I've never tasted Fenny, but the film is Finding Fanny, not Fenny.
राम लखन जी ने आपको रोल अप्रोच हुआ है कि नहीं?
So Finding Fanny, we are here to talk about. It's releasing in English and in Hindi. We Fanny की बात करें, yes, it's one of the most delightful things from Goa, which has been known for so many years. मैंने आज तक taste नहीं किया, unfortunately. जब गोवा में थे. Unfortunately, I would like to taste it. Why not? But I remember we had this conversation while shooting also, but we never got down to tasting it or even trying it out. Yes.
Okay, this is one different film that we're talking about, but also another very different film from our country. English has reached Japan and made one video.
Yes.
What would you all say about it?
The more the merrier. जितनी हमारी पिक्चर दुनिया भर में पहुंचे उतना अच्छा. That is the idea of making cinema, is to break into different audiences, not only our Indian audiences. I think Finding Fanny primarily stems from that. I think a studio like Fox affiliating with the film speaks volumes about the fact that they look at it from that perspective as well. जैसे जब My Name is Khan लगी थी, they tapped into non-typical cultural Indian audiences. They try to hit a bigger diaspora of audience. हम उम्मीद करते हैं कि this film has that kind of merit. If we give it that kind of love and recognition from our country, it will transfer like how Lunchbox got reviewed so well. It did so well. I mean, Germany it's done unbelievable business. America it did unbelievable business. Finding Fanny, hopefully if people give it that love here, I'm sure Fox will do their best to make sure it reaches so many more people like English as where Eros is concerned. So it's great. I think we should aim. Why not? Yeah? If their films can do well here, our films can do well across the world as well.
What would you say about this?
Absolutely, I think he's said it all. I don't think we should ever look at cinema as, oh, this is Indian cinema, or this is Hollywood, or this is. The idea is to entertain, and we're not restricting the audience, right? I mean, of course, we largely cater to an Indian audience, but of course, we want to make films that kind of cuts across. I've always believed that how we say, we always say that love is a universal language. I also feel similarly, cinema is a universal language, and it doesn't matter what language you make the films in. As actors, we watch Japanese films, you watch French films, you watch Iranian films. You don't really understand, every word that they're saying, but you largely know. Because it's an emotion, it's a feeling. As human beings, you identify with that, and as long as you manage to do that, I think it's a battle won.
Deepika, in fact, you have worked with Dominant happening. We have been listening to Greg Potter. Basically, there's people who said that probably things come up when a movie is released or something. Do you think it is the promotional gimmicks summer because the newspaper said it. Since you are a part of it, what is your reaction to it?
I think your question is absolutely irrelevant and should not be discussed so frivolously.
ओके अर्जुन दीपिका अभी 25 अक्टूबर को फिरोज खान का बर्थडे आ रहा है क्या आप कितना मिस करते हैं आज की जनरेशन को
I think he was stylish, he was iconic, and he, I'm sure, is sorely missed by all his fans, and we amongst those fans hope wherever he is happy. वो सवाल पूछे कि मैं उन्हीं से बात करूँ, नहीं मैं उधर क्यों देखूँ, इन्होंने सवाल पूछा, आप कैमरा के नीचे खड़े हो, आओ, one-on-one conversation.
Of course, I think he had his own style, he had his own individuality, and I think that's what actors. I think actors today, I mean, he was someone that we kind of, you watched his movies, you aspire, you get inspired, and of course we miss him.
Thank you so much.
हो गया
दीपिका